Hello YouTube, we're in the car here, and you probably got a fuse panel somewhere in your car. Fuses like this, right? And you can yank. You're like, man, one of these is blown. I don't know which one. And you can yank them all and look at them if you want. But I'm here to show you a quicker way. All right, where you can just boom, 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 go right across. So let's just go inside. And I'll show you that quicker way. So, in the house we go. We gotta turn that down. Alright. So we'll set you, we're gonna set it up. Let's come over here with some more light. Alright, so here we go, this will work. This is the tool to check the fuse with more easily. I mean, you can just look at them, right? Because I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, you can see that. Okay, so what a fuse does is there's an electrical circuit that's got different components and wire in the circuit, blah blah blah, you know, a light or some electrical thing, and there's wire connecting things. And at some point they put in a thing called a fuse. And what a fuse does is it's an intentional weak point in the line, so that when this one is a 5 amp fuse, right? So that when a certain amount of amperage, essentially when too much electrons are coming through per second, then the fuse will not be able to handle that and it will blow. And if you can, as you can see, that one has blown. So what you don't want to do is put a fuse in the line that's bigger than what's supposed to be in there, because then that fuse is designed so that to be the weak point, so that this will blow and it won't blow something else in the circuit, so that anything else in the circuit, is not going to blow before this does. And then the circuit won't be it will be open, and no current will be flowing through it because it's blown. So here, this is a blown fuse. And you can look at it and test it, but you got to yank all of them out. There's a quicker way. And this is a multimeter, a digital one like this. The cool thing is it has a setting right there. I don't know if you can see that, but there's like that one with the little, looks like a Wi-Fi symbol. Okay, we're gonna turn to that one, and then we take the two connectors, and what that's gonna do is it's going to make a noise if current can travel from one of these posts to the other one. So you can check for continuity, right? And so what you can do is if the fuse is blown, it won't make a noise. I can't see what I'm doing. You won't hear the bell. But if you hear the bell, then that means the circuit is closed and current can travel through. Here's the thing. They actually put little posts on the outside of the fuse for you to check that. So you can just boom, 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 go right through the car and check them off. So let's head back outside. It's been 4 years. Alright, let's see. Hopefully I can hold the flashlight and the tester and everything. And there is a crazy smell out here. I think my roommate has brought some poop or something. I don't know what that is. So you can't see anything, can you? I have to hold that light perfectly shining on what we're doing. Alright, I'm gonna try to hook this somehow amazingly well for you. Maybe if I hold it like that. Okay. Well, maybe if I set the camera. Yeah, okay. So I'm going to check this fuse right here. And all I have to do is just touch to the pin. Yep, one fuse checked. You know it works. No, it works. No, it works. You don't have to go yanking them out, and you can go through pretty quick and check them all that way. So I hope that helps somebody somewhere. A multimeter like this is a good tool to have anyway for a lot of uses, but that's one use that maybe a lot of people don't know. So check your fuses quickly and easily. Oh yeah, one more thing to show you. Car fuses like this you can look at. There are some types of fuses. We'll go back inside here. I think we won't have any more metal for you. We're gonna go back inside. And what about home fuses? Yeah, what about those? I got the AC. Let's turn that AC down. Okay. Alright, home fuses. Hold on a second. The air conditioner guy's phone number's on here as well. I want to broadcast that to the world, although I don't think he wouldn't care. He'd probably like the free advertising. It's like impossible to remove it. I'll just unscrew one. Let's see. Let's unscrew this one. And there goes computer. And then we'll take these. Good. Alright, so your fuses in your house, if you don't have a circuit breaker, you have fuses. A circuit breaker is like a fuse, but instead of blowing, it just trips a switch and then you push it back over. But it serves the same purpose. Now some of the fuses are like these. And with these, you can actually, let's get some light on that. Oh, the light's unplugged. Or something. Grr. And we'll hold it between my leg. There's like a thing in there in your little window and you can see the piece of metal that's designed to blow. And this one is 30 amps, I guess. It says W30. But then you have some fuses that are like these. And this is the actual fuse in there. That's the component right there, that's the fuse. So if we dig that out, it's like you can't see anything on that. How do you test that? Same way. Okay. If it connects one end to the other, oh, that one. Oh, we turned the multimeter off. I was about to say, what's wrong? Okay, the fuse is okay. Now, what the multimeter does is it just sends a little bit of electrical current through the fuse or whatever. It has to have batteries to do this, but it just sends a tiny amount of current through there to make the bell noise and all that. It's not enough current to blow the fuse. Even that little bitty 5 amp fuse wouldn't blow. But if the fuse is blown, there won't be a connection from one end to the other. And so that is an easy way to check fuses. I hope this helps someone out there.